Study we have studied the first chapter, the truths in the forest. The half portion was completed and the half was rest. So today we will start with the rest of the chapter. Okay. So till here we have studied that the author has heard a knock at the door and he has opened the door without hesitation. And who was standing at the doors? He thought that the Americans would be there, but at the doors the Germans were standing. Okay, now proceed. I was paralyzed with fear. Although still a child, I knew the harsh law sheltering enemy soldiers constituted a high treason. We could all be shot. Mother was frightened too. So as he was small, but then also he know that sheltering an enemy, giving shelter to the enemy's soldiers, he would be constituted a high treason. Okay, he would be constituted as a treason and he और वो उसे वो देशद्रोही की तरह उसका ट्रीट हो सकता था. एंड एज ही हैज गिवन शेल्टर, उसने अपने दुश्मन को अपने घर में पनाह दिया था, इसलिए उसे देशद्रोही का नाम मिल सकता था. एंड वी कुड ऑल बी शॉट, उसे प्रिजन उसको शॉट कर दिया जा सकता था. एंड मम्मी वॉज ऑल्सो फादर, हर मदर वॉज ऑल्सो फ्राइटेन. हर फेस वॉज वाइट बट शी स्टेप्ड आउटसाइड एंड सेड क्वाइटली, frolic Wettchen. The soldiers wished her a Merry Christmas too. So what did she say? She said in French. What she said? That Franklin Venanchent. The soldiers wished her Merry Christmas. So she wished her Merry Christmas and the soldiers also wished her Merry Christmas. Okay? Without fear she was go outside. She went outside and she wished the soldier Merry Christmas. We have lost our regiment and would like to wait for daylight. Explain the corporal. Can we rest here? तो कॉर्पोरल उससे क्या पूछता है कि हम लोग ने अपना रेजिमेंट खो चुका है और वी वांटेड टू रेस्ट हियर टुडे. ओके, सो ऑफ कोर्स मदर रिप्लाइड विथ अ calmless bone of panic. You can also have a fine warm meal and eat till the pot is empty. So what the mother said, okay, yes, you can rest here and you can also have a meal which I have prepared. Okay. The Germans smiled as they sniffed the aroma through the half-open door. Okay. The Germans smile करते हैं. The Germans smile because they have sniffed the aroma. Aroma is smell. उन लोग ना जो खाना बना था, the dinner they have smelled. Okay. So they smiled. So but mother added family. Sorry. We have 3 other guests whom you may not consider friends. Now her voice was suddenly sterner that I had ever heard it before. This is Christmas Eve and there will be no shooting here. So what did the mother said? Mother बोलती है कि we had more guests here. तो 3 other guests है यहाँ पे और आप लोग आएंगे तो यहाँ पे कोई शूटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. This is Christmas Eve, तो मुझे शांति चाहिए. Okay? Who is inside? So the corporal demanded. Okay, so the corporal, the German who was standing there, he asked, who is there? Okay, so Americaner. Mother looked at each frost-chilled face. तो वो समझ गया कि क्या अमेरिकन है यहाँ पे, अमेरिकन से. तो mother looked at each other's frost-chilled face. तो mother का जो face था वो पूरा जम चुका था, वो उसको देखती है. Listen, she said slowly. You could be my sons, and so could those in there. A boy with the gunshot wound fighting for his life. His 2 friends are lost like you and just as hungry and exhausted as you are. This is night. She turned to the corporal and raised her voice a little. This Christmas night, let us forget all about killing. So what had happened? जब जर्मन उससे पूछता है कि क्या एक अमेरिकन से अंदर में, तो she said that yes, listen, आप तुम भी मेरे बच्चे जैसे हो, and the 3 people who are inside, the Americans who are inside, they are also like my sons. वो लोग मेरे ही बच्चों जैसे हैं. तो और एक जो बच्चा है, एक लड़का है, उसे he has been wounded and he is also lost and he is tired and he is hungry as you are. So this night, this is Christmas and I don't want any killings here. Okay, now what happened? आगे क्या होता है? The corporal stared at her. The corporal जो था वो उसको stare करता है, ठीक है, उसे घूरता है. There were 2 or 3 endless seconds for the silence. The mother put an end to the indecisions. Enough talking. She ordered and clapped her hands sharply. Please put your weapons here or the wood pile and hurry up before the others eat the dinner. तो उसकी मम्मी क्या बोलती है कि ओके ठीक है, सो ना बहुत बातें हो चुकी है, अब चलो जल्दी से अंदर आ जाओ. ओके, एंड प्लीज पुट योर weapons देयर ऑन द वुड पाइल एंड हरी अप बिफोर द अदर सीजन. अपना जो weapons है वो बाहर ही रख दो एंड कम इनसाइड hurriedly. ओके, dazedly the four soldiers placed their arms on the pile of firewood just inside the door. 3 carbines, a light machine gun and 2 bazookas. So Dazedly, surprisingly, मतलब confused. Okay, the four soldiers placed there. जो 4 लोग थे वो अपना जो आर्म्स था उसको बाहर फायरवुड पे रख देते हैं, वहां पे जो प्लेस था वहां पे रख देते हैं. They kept there and the 3 carbines were there. A light machine gun था, 2 bazookas था, ये सब उन लोग के पास था. Okay. Meanwhile, mother was speaking French rapidly to Jim, and he said something in English, and to my amazement, I saw the American boys too turn their weapons over to mother. So what had happened? So this time, meanwhile, mother was speaking French rapidly to Jim. तो जिम से मम्मी जो थी उसकी बात करने लगती है फ्रेंच में, and he said something in English. जो जिम था, he said something in English, and to my amazement, I saw the Americans boys too turn their weapons over to mother. तो मम्मी की तरफ से वो weapons वो लोग भी अपना ले लेता है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? नाउ as Germans and Americans tensely rubbed elbows in the small room, mother were right to preparing dinner. तो दोनों आपस में एक रूम में बैठे हुए थे, Americans and Germans, and mother was preparing food. Okay, dinner. But Herman's wasn't going to grow any bigger. तो हरमन का जो साइज था वो तो बड़ा नहीं होना था, वो तो जितने साइज का था वही होगा. पीपल ज्यादा हो गए पर खाना तो कम ही था. And now there were 4 more mouths to feed. Quick, she whispered to me. Get more potatoes and some oats. These boys are hungry and a starving man is an angry one. Okay, तो वो बोलती है कि now give me more potatoes and because the ज़्यादा पर्सन हो गए थे तो खाना तो थोड़ा ही बना था, तो अब खाना बनाना है, देना है उन लोग को, तो अब इसके चलते वो और पोटैटोज मंगाती एंड शी स्टार्टेड टू कुक. ओके, नेक्स्ट. While foraging in the storage room, I heard Harry moan. So, when I returned, one of the Germans had put on his glasses to inspect the American's wound. I studied medicine at Heidelberg until a few months ago. He said, thanks to the cold, he told the Americans in what sounded like very good English. Harry's wound hadn't become infected. He is suffering from severe loss of blood. He explained to mother what he needed is rest and nourishment. So what had happened? The mother started to cook, and when I returned, one of the Germans had put the glasses to inspect the American's wound. तो एक जर्मन्स था, वो शायद मेडिसिन पढ़ा था, तो वो उस जो अमेरिकन जो घायल हो चुका था उसके वुंड को देखता है, एंड ही सेड दैट चलो ठीक है. सो ठंड के चलते उसका वुंड जो है वो ब्लडिंग तो बहुत ज्यादा हो चुका है, ब्लीडिंग बहुत हुआ है, पर ही हैज नॉट बीन इन्फेक्टेड. ओके, उसका जो ये है जो वुंड है वो इन्फेक्टेड नहीं हुआ है. ओके, नाउ रिलैक्सेशन वाज नाउ beginning to replace suspicions. Even to me, all the soldiers looked very young as we sat there together. So बहुत ये दे सब everybody was sitting there and all were relaxing. Haynes and Willie, both from Cologne were 16. The German corporal 23 was the oldest of them. तो उधर से जो अभी जर्मन जो आए थे उसमें 2 था, नेम था हेन्स एंड विली, बोथ फ्रॉम कोलोन, वह 16 ईयर्स के थे, और जर्मन कॉर्पोरल जो था वो 23 ईयर्स, सबसे ओल्ड एज था. द मदर सेड ग्रेस. Then mother said grace. I noticed that there were tears in her eyes, and as I looked around the table, I saw tears too in the eyes of the battle-weary soldiers, boys again, some of them from America, some from Germany, all far from home. So mother was so that time she was feeling so she was feeling guilty, and she said that सभी बच्चे अपने घर से दूर हैं, अपने फैमिली से दूर हैं, and they are fighting in the this battle. Okay, so she was much emotional. Okay, that time. Just before midnight, mother went to the doorstep and asked us to join her to look up the star at Bethlehem. So what had happened? This was the Christmas Eve, and when she was going to sleep, before midnight, she went to the doorstep and asked to join her. वो doorstep पे जाती है और सबको बुलाती है वो स्टार देखने के लिए. ओके, बेथलेहम में जो स्टार मतलब दिखता है. We also stood beside her except Harry, who was sleeping. For all of us during that moment of silence, looking at the brightest star in the heavens, The war was a distant, almost forgotten thing. तो सब लोग बैथलेहम में जो स्टार चमकता है, जब क्रिसमस का ईव होता है तो एक स्टार चमकता है, जिससे जो सब लोग देखते हैं, वो लोग वो सोचते हैं कि वो हमारे जीसस क्राइस्ट है. ओके, and they have forgotten about the war. Next morning, Harry woke in the early hours and swallowed some broth, and mother fed him. Okay, Harry उठता है और फिर सुबह सुबह कुछ mother fed him and he ate something. With that dawn, it was apparent that he was becoming stronger. Mother now made him an invigorating drink from our one egg. The rest of the couple wine and some sugar. Everyone else had oatmeal. So they all had. Next morning they all had fed something, and Harry was also feeling better, and he has also, mother has given him broth, a drink, a soup which was according to his health, and he was also given a soup which was made of egg, and all were sitting and all were having all were having drinks, and Napoleon then advised the Americans how to find their way back to their lines. Looking over Jim's map, the corporal pointed out the stream continue along the creek, he said. Okay, तो corporal जो था वो उन लोग को, अमेरिकन्स को अपना बताता है कि how they have to go home. Okay, they have to find the way. Okay, and there was a continue this creek. एक creek था, एक river था, उसी के किनारे से उनको जाना था. ठीक है. Why don't we head a Moscow? See, Jim said. What he said? Why don't we ahead Moscow? Moscow की तरफ जाने के लिए बोलता है वो लोग. ठीक है, Moscow. Jim asked name. The corporal exclaimed, we have retaken Moscow. तो Jim ने बोलता है कि name. The corporal exclaimed. Corporal जो था वो exclaim करता है, we have retaken Moscow. They have retaken Moscow. Okay. Now mother gave them all back their weapons. Be careful, boys. She said, I want you to get home someday where you belong. God bless you all. Okay, the Germans and American soldiers shook hands, and we watched them disappear in opposite directions. So what happened? So they all went back to their home, and the mother was emotionally. She has said that be careful, boys. I want you all to go home. Okay, and they all disappeared from their sight. So here the story ends. So now here the story ends. Underline the hard words. The hard words are underlined. Find the word meaning and write in the old copy. Okay, no need to buy copy. Write in the old copy. Find out the meanings and write in the old copy. From the next video we will do the question answers. Okay, till then be safe. Read the chapter. Be safe and stay at home. Good day.